Are you tired of getting trapped by fake breakouts? Is this what you expect and this what the market gives you? If yes, this video is for you. Today I will show you a simple way how you can identify these fake breakouts like a professional trader. When price did this, not only did we know that this was a fake breakout, we were able to take the other side and profit in our signal channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into how we identified this fake breakout. Hello everyone, this is Gabriel again from Price Action Forex Limited, and today I will show you exactly how you can determine market's true direction, identify those fake breakouts and manage to pull off some insane trades. Just like this one, which got us over 105 pips in less than 2 hours in our Telegram signal channel. So let's see how we analyzed this trade. So on this trading day, as soon as London session opened, what we noticed was that price had been creating this consolidation, and within this consolidation, price was creating a retail wedge or triangle pattern. So what retail traders expect from a wedge or triangle pattern like this is normally something like this. The traders expect price to break above this wedge or consolidation, and they tend to enter right around at this area, anticipating a continuation from the breakout. We identified a similar breakout on gold that day, and I'm pretty sure a lot of retail traders were looking to buy from right around here, and a lot of them got trapped. But whenever something like this happens, whenever a breakout like this happens, we at Price Action ask ourselves a question: is this a genuine breakout, or there is a possibility of this being a fake breakout? But how do we determine if this is a fake breakout? What we do is just simply put on our Price Action secret indicator. So if you see right around here on our Price Action secret indicator, it was creating a lower high, all the while price was creating a higher high. So this is what indicated to us that the original institutional order flow was actually on the short side, and this move right around here, this breakout, was actually fake, and this was just to manipulate the retail traders and trap the retail bulls and grab and hunt the stop losses of all the sellers that were selling from this resistance zone. So as soon as we realized these things, that this was actually a fake breakout and a lot of retail traders were trapped right around this area, and our indicator was also showing that this was actually a fake move to the upside, we were observing price really closely, and when price started breaking market structure, started creating lower lows, we were ready to put on our short positions, and that is exactly what we did, and grabbed about 105 pips on our signal channel. So to summarize, all we did to take this massive trade was just wait for a breakout and then determine if this was a fake breakout. And what helped us most to determine if this is a fake breakout was our PAFX secret indicator. So this is how we take advantage of the Price Action secret indicator to get into some massive moves. And you can do the same, but in order to do so, you must look for some other confluences just like we did. Look, there is no holy grail in trading. No single indicator can do everything for you, but a good indicator can give you an edge and make your life way easier. Price Action secret indicator gives you that edge to locate fake breakouts just like this one and catch moves worth hundreds of pips. To know more about this indicator, just check the links on the description. This is it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new. I hope you got something valuable out of that video. If you want to know more about our signals, our trading ideas, videos, chart breakdowns, advanced analysis, you must join our Telegram channel with over 300,000 traders. Link is in the description below. That's all for today. See you all in the next one.